Boy, look at this. Just came in today. Lee Classic Turret Press Kit. So it's got a little bit of everything. I like Lee. They make good quality equipment. Oh geez, I like RCBS. I want to open it in front of you. Look, still sealed. They use these little dinky pliers. You should always use a little bit bigger pliers for this. You could break your pliers. Like that, like that. Take off there. Alright, here we go. Make sure we get that up there. Now looky. Alright, what do we got here? Safety primer feed. And that's the press itself. Let me get some of this other stuff out of the way. This here came open. What do we got here? The cutter and lock stud. This here just now came open, I guess. Bouncing around the package a little bit. But you're seeing it live. Right there. What we got here? Lee Resizing Lubricant. And Lee Auto Disc Riser. Gonna need that. We're gonna be reloading rifle, pistol, revolver, ammunition. What else we got in here? Safety powder scale. The book, let me see, I believe, well, it's revised 2016. I was just going to say I thought I had this because I have so many reloading manuals. I'm a library unto itself, among other things. Revised 2016 new powder, so this is new. I need it, so I'm glad it came with it. I was trying to get out of getting that in the kit, but hey, it came with the kit. Just so happens I need it. Oh, let me see what else in here. Getting old, can't pick this stuff up. Lee Auto Drum Powder Measure. Oh, the big one. The one I've been waiting for. Not too long. They shipped it pretty quick. Look at here. Lee Classic Turret Press. See what else we got now. Oh yeah. Trim tool. Alright. We'll open this. Just gonna make this video real short. Lots of packages to open. Like I said, reloading benches I gotta build. Gunsmithing benches I gotta build. Man. Oh yeah. Arm. The primers go. Once you decap them, unless they change things over the years. Okay. Catalog and stuff. There you go. Put that baby upright. Of course, put your dies in there. I have several different rotating turrets I ordered in addition to this, coming in another package. Your arm. Once I get this set up, yeah, we'll be ready to go. As you can see, it's one of the largest rams that they have in the industry on here. Okay, look forward to doing this and doing some reloading. Thanks for watching. You witnessed it live. We just got it. Thanks.